hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag at a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a hand.
What's up, guys? Definitely not how I want to start the video. It's iPhone 13 day, okay? And I've been waiting like all day for my new iPhone to arrive. And my UPS guy, I don't know if he's like busy or they just have a lot of packages, because I mean, new product, I guess I get it. But everybody in the whole entire world except me has gotten their new iPhone. And yeah, like David, he's playing with his new iPhone and his new iPad, and I wish I was doing the same. But that being said, I got fed up with waiting. So I got on UPS's website, and they got I guess they have where you can follow your delivery, and yeah, it's cool. It's very accurate, it turns out, because I did just that. I went to where I thought what looked like where the UPS truck would be that has my iPhone. Sure enough, there it was. I was half tempted to approach the guy and then be like, I'll show you my ID, give me my phone. But I didn't, just because I don't want to ruin the delivery and then not get the phone at all. I'm just impatient. It's 5 o'clock. It's supposed to be here. It said it was going to be delivered between noon and 4, and it's 5 o'clock. So the guy's late, you know. But yeah. And now I sit here and wait. But I did take some photos because I did think it was funny that I was actually tracking the truck that actually has my iPhone, like physically. So, you know, if people think that's creepy, then that's what they think. I really don't care. I just want my phone. Are you delivering over there that pretty soon? Do you know?
Yeah, what's your address? That's my last stop, I'm pretty sure, yep.
Oh, okay.
I got you.
Okay.
Apple.
Yeah.
You're like the fifth guy to meet me today.
Oh, really? That's funny.
I get it. I want my wallet.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Daniel. Thank you. That is still the funniest interaction I've ever had with a UPS driver. I hope my dash cam picked up that interaction. But shout out to you, UPS driver. It looks like you've been working hard, so I apologize if I ranted earlier. You'll never see this video, but anyway. Oh, she's here. The iPhone 13 Pro Max 1TB Sierra Blue. I'm so excited to open this thing. Let me zoom out just a little bit so we get the box in frame. So this is going to be replacing my lovely iPhone XS Max. And yes, there's Chelsea's picture. This has been a great phone. It's 512 gig storage, but it is full. It's full of Chelsea's pictures. It's full of videos. I film with this a lot. Obviously, you guys know that. It's got plenty of music. Yes, I still download my music, even from Spotify, as well as Apple Music, just because there are times where I don't have signal and I want to be able to listen to music. So I do download my playlist. So it you know, all that stuff takes up space. So yeah, at the moment I have quite a few phones. Let's look at the others real quick. This one is for sale currently. This is a Samsung Galaxy S20. Pretty sure it's dead as a doornail. Love the great phone, love it. I just don't use it, and the one I do use still is my Google Pixel 5a. Yes, I made a video on this one 2 weeks ago. I still use it. It's also dead. Obviously, I haven't used it today or all week really. With all the medical stuff, I really hadn't had time to do any side business stuff. So in that case, the side hustle phone has just been dead. I'm gonna charge it soon. So yeah, I have 4 phones, but this one is getting traded back into Apple because it's Sierra Blue. 1TB iPhone 13 Pro Max is replacing it, like I said. So enough blabbing. Let's get this out of the way. Let's get all these phones out of the way, because right now none of them matter. The only one that matters is the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's open it up. We're gonna rip these tabs off like that. Apple's going with the no plastic packaging, which is cool. It's very environmentally friendly. And pop it off. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, this phone is a little bit heavier. It's a little bit heavier than this. And now this has a case on it, so it also makes it heavy, but this is still quite heavy. Very nice. There's a lot more tech in it though. Love the edges. Oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. This thing's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. Now I do like that the back is a matte. I don't know if it's glass, but it's definitely a matte finish. Is this frosted glass or is this metal? I don't know. Also, the cameras are absolutely they're so big. I'm so used to the 10s Max cameras. I mean, look at the comparison is night and day. Those are massive cameras. So, very nice. I love how the blue is it's like a muted blue. It's not crazy in your face. It's almost like a gray. I do like it a lot. It's a good color to pick from. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and power on the baby. My baby. My baby. Did I do it right? Power on. There we go. This took a second. So yeah, on the side, I think this is a 5G band on the side here. Not sure, but love the metal finish. It reminds me of the iPhone 5 a lot. iPhone 4, iPhone 5, but obviously polished. So, okay, we are greeted with hello, except it's written in different languages because I already passed up the English one. Looking at the phone, we're gonna hit English, United States. We're gonna do quick start. I don't need to set up manually. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay. Might have to censor this part of the video because of data. So set up new iPhone, unlock to continue. We're gonna hit Face ID, there we go. It's gonna set up my new iPhone. We're going to capture the new iPhone with the old iPhone. Finishing. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and cut from here and I'll be right back because I have some sensitive data to input. So while it's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and I already have a case for it. So like 17 bucks on Amazon. It's from Supcase Unicorn Beetle. I have worked with them in the past. They have amazing cases. And I wanted to go with one that kind of showed off the new color. Now eventually I do want to get you a UAG case like this. I love the military grade. It's indestructible, keeps my phone nice and brand new for all those years. And yes, I've had the iPhone XS Max for 3 years. It was definitely time for an upgrade. So here is the Unicorn Beetle from Supcase. And yeah. Oh, is it screen? Or no, it's a plastic shield on the back here. We're gonna peel that off real quick like that. Very nice. And then we're gonna gently drop the new phone into the case. Squeaky. Just snaps in like that. And there we go. The new case is protecting the phone. Very nice. Make sure it's all the way in. There we go. Alright, set up Face ID real quick. I should probably take off my glasses for this. Nice. Face ID is now set up. It's currently updating. This iPhone has started a new backup, so your new iPhone will use the backup up to date. We'll use up-to-date apps today. Stay connected to Wi-Fi and power to make sure the backup can be completed. Okay, I'm gonna plug this phone in and do that. And yeah, I'll be back once this is all up to date, and then we will go from there. I have so much to do still. I want to test out the cameras and all that stuff, so stay tuned. We're just getting started. Okay, so the moment I've been waiting for is this is cinematic mode. Yeah, look at look at that. Oh, do you see why I want to vlog with this from now on? Like, I love the GoPro Hero 8 and the Hero 9, but man, I feel like the vlogs would be even better. Obviously, a lot of it's software, as you can see, it's not perfect, but man. Also, I have I think, high contrast mode on or whatever. And so my hand looks really detailed. And my skin in real life does not look that dark. So yeah, it's giving me like a tan. I don't know, it's funny. But yeah, this is cinematic mode. Pretty cool. Look at that. Look what it does to the leaves. That's so cool. And let's see this old ass doorbell. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at that. It's so cool. Alright, and then here is regular. And 3x zoom is that. And then ultra wide is 0.5, so it's that. That's so cool. So cool that you can do that while filming. Now I know you can do this on Android as well. I'm just glad that Apple didn't like force you to stop recording in order to switch cameras. It's so cool. Very snappy, very quick. Definitely like that a lot. Again, love it. There's ultra wide, regular, and then 3x zoom. I need some tires, I know. My tires are starting to look a little bald. Starting to ride a little rough too. That's how you can tell you need tires. But yeah, very impressed with this camera. I think next I'm going to switch it to front facing. So yeah, we're going to go back here into my enchanted forest known as my backyard. I say that because there are a lot of animals back here, a lot of wild animals. At night, there's a deer that, here, I'll zoom in. She sleeps on that pile of dead leaves. Oh, okay, well, the pile's gone. Does she go through the fence? I think there's a hole back. I haven't been back there in a while, so I think there's a hole back there. So, cicadas. You can tell you're in the Midwest. All that noise. All right. So this is the front-facing camera with cinematic mode on. I did not realize that they have cinematic mode on the front-facing camera as well as the back. Love that, Apple. Very good job. Look at the. Do you see why I want to make this the vlog? Like, this is how I vlog. Like, I think this will be how I vlog from now on. First of all, it's easy to transfer from the iPhone to the Mac Mini. It's seconds, you know. Even if it's minutes, it's still just very easy. I think it's going to rain soon. But look how good this looks. Would you guys watch a vlog that looked like this? I would. And so, definitely going to make a video on vlogging with just the phone, which I still need to do for the Google Pixel 5a. I've not done that yet. So, be working on that this weekend, working on this weekend. So, definitely more content coming. But I could see myself vlogging with the iPhone from here on out because it's just that good of a camera. And yeah, again, cinematic mode is software based, but man, hell of a good looking camera. They did their homework on cinematic mode. I love it. I'm addicted to this mode. So I could definitely see myself vlogging with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I almost want to call it the iPhone 10s Max. I'm so used to saying that. Gotta get used to 13 Pro Max. So very happy with this phone. And yeah, I will be trading in the 10s Max to Apple. That's how I got $350 off, I believe. Either $320 and $350 off of this new phone with the trade-in of the old one. So, which makes monthly payments lower as well, which is nice. So, I'm pretty sure. Because they seemed awfully low for I got the high-end 1 terabyte, highest one you can buy, you know. but I think it's only like 32 or 35 a month or something like that. So yeah, it is what it is. I love it. So yeah, I do want to get some shots at night. I probably will, but wow, this is definitely the best iPhone yet, like hands down. Definitely an upgrade from the XS Max for sure. So, and I keep looking at the screen and not my camera like I should be. That's a big no-no when you're vlogging, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. I'm currently filming on the iPhone XS Max. This is the last video I will be making with this phone. This phone has served me well for 3 years, but it's time to move on. I do love you, XS Max. You've been great. You're an inanimate object, so you really don't care what I have to say. Inanimate object, whatever. I'm sorry, I'm like trying to switch hands. Give me a second. Hard to film. Not really. But again, look how big these cameras are. They're so huge on this phone. Absolutely huge. Love it. That being said, it is currently downloading my data from iCloud. It's taking several hours because I have, I think it was 450 gigs of data. Like I said, that 512 gigabyte iPhone XS Max is almost full. I was not playing. So, transferring all that stuff over. Obviously, I'm going to go through and clean it up after all that and delete what I don't need. And yeah, getting all my wallpapers moved over so I can have Chelsea as my wallpaper on the new phone as well, like she's been on the old phone. Yeah, that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Currently almost done editing. I was just doing a little bit more over there. Just got to add this clip really, and then I'm going to publish it directly to YouTube and do all the other stuff that makes a video, you know, tags and thumbnail and everything else. So thank you all so much for watching. More videos to come on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I almost said XS Max again. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. Much more to come. I do want to mess with macro video, panoramic shots, different kinds of photos. Stay tuned. Check out my Instagram. That's where I post. For a while I was back on Flickr, but Flickr's dead. I feel like it's just not how it used to be back in 2008, 2009. Instagram is the way to go. The way to post videos and photos. Well, really photos. Videos is for YouTube. Short clips, sure. But for the most part, photos on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. I am rambling. Have a good night, and I will see you all in the next video. More to come. Stay tuned. Bye.
Hand grip stack of the blue cheese, turn that to a bag at a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a handout. Niggas ain't on, but I be on.